getting sunny alashu 탑수 출강 zambe 지심냠 통 아마 암미 잘래 가던 유 아미 참 부족이 매체 se va la rexi oh amai chas fongai mitsi
Lenge kong kam sa ta tharing di nyin thong di nang la marang chu phebe gi chi cho nang la ye pe sugui jing ma ngu chi gi ta sugui di gi ming la kalden gi sugui che inji thone kalden design le do an tharin do kalden sugui khani chala nyu ge gim chin so ru khar che gi la na khorang chu gi mi di ani mi la phen thoya dir do Koran chui chala toni kebin de ni mi kyo la stokpa semje la stokpa la phen to yu ta ani ni gi mi ya bo thong so an number 2 cha sa ani kalten sigyo la gyab jo na wa ra ye
I'm Neha Kurna and I'm from Nepal. So today I bought this mask from Kalden Design through Dolma. It is very nice and comfortable to wear. So you can buy this, and it is a Tibetan design, and they are donating the money to the charity for the people who are poor, and your small contribution can bring a big change in the society. So please guys, buy this.
Hello everyone, I'm Krishila from Nepal and I got this mask from Dolma. It is of Kalden design and it's very comfortable to wear. So, and they are selling this mask for a good cause, contributing the money they earn from selling this mask for a social cause. So I recommend you to buy this.
Thank you so much.